Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And I embarking on a journey. Because Steve Raichlen somehow in one video screwed up two dishes where he made a lamb burger but put it in a pita shell. So I'm going to make a lamb pita, and in another video I'm going to make a lamb burger. But this is the tzatziki sauce that we will be using for both of them. You want to start with a cup of whole milk Greek yogurt. Add to that about a half a cup of finely grated seedless cucumber. Then you want to add about a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then you want to add a half tablespoon of olive oil. Followed by a minced garlic clove. And about a half a teaspoon of salt. And then you want about a tablespoon of chopped fresh dill. Then you want to grab a whisk and stir this around till everything is incorporated and mixed together. Make sure you spill some on your counter. And then let it hang out in the fridge for at least an hour. All right, let's get on the lamb. Okay, in a pan, you just want to cook the lamb till it's done, nice and brown. Season with salt and pepper. That's really it on that. You want to break it up as you go. All right. Let's move on to assembly. Okie dokie. Lamb's been cooked, and we're ready to go. All right, so you want to take some of that lamb we cooked up and put it on our pita. That is slightly warm. Slightly warm. Then you want to grab that tzatziki sauce. Spoon a good portion on top of that. And then we're going to add some shredded cheddar cheese. And then some shredders to top it all off. And that, Mr. Raichlen, is how you make a goddamn lamb pita. So that's lamb pita. Done.